What's up, Big Bear Nation? Welcome back to the homestead. So I've come across something that I've never had to deal with before, and I'm really not completely sure what I'm fixing to find. But we have one of our bantam roosters, coaching roosters, that has been a very integral part of not only keeping our bantam population going, but also he is like my #1 predator control chicken. Like, he is always on top of whenever we have any problems with hawks. He's the first one in the line of defense. Not these big Rhode Island roosters, this little bitty guy. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where is he? Where is he? He's around here. I saw him fly in here. Where is he? You see him? Where'd he go? Man, he almost had a McFlurry for lunch, didn't he? Oh, there he is. There he is, right there. And so the other day, I saw him walking, and it looks like he has something going on his backside area. So we're gonna take a look at it and see just exactly what it is. So we recently, well, I say recently, we did a video a while back on pasty butt on chicks. And I had an interesting question where somebody asked me if adults could get it. And technically, no, they can't. But we actually have an issue here that looks very close to pasty butt. So if you look at Snowball's booty here, he's got a big pile of turd that it looks like it has attached to part of his feathers. Now, his actual vent, there's some poop around it. I don't know if you could see that, but the actual vent itself is not blocked. And that's what pasty butt really is when their actual vent is blocked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna free this guy up from this, because I know this cannot be pleasant having to carry that all around with him. We're gonna get you fixed up, okay, buddy? You're okay. We're gonna get you taken care of, okay? You're like my hero. We're gonna get you all fixed up. And it hasn't really slowed him down. Like, he hasn't acted like it's bothering him. I just don't like the idea of that hanging off his backside. Like, it can't be comfortable. But he doesn't seem to mind it at all, do you, buddy? Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, lift him up a little bit. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this off, because this is like really nasty. We're gonna get that out of there for him. And I think just that alone is gonna make him so happy. So that's kind of gross. But let me look at this backside again, and let's see what he's got going on here. He's got more that's attached to, oh, that is attached to his butt. We're gonna have to Carol doesn't do poop. Let's just hope he doesn't poop on us while we're doing it.
I'll throw this chicken.
Throw it right at me, huh? Now, I will say, this is definitely a 2-person job. I don't recommend trying to do this one person. But I'm literally like cutting away poop from, he's got some feathers. If you've ever processed a chicken, you know that there's little feathers close down by their booty hole, by their vent. And he has obviously, I don't know if from all the rain, if stuff got caught up.
I think we just need to trim around
That's
it
what
so
I'm
that
doing.
it's not a problem.
That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna come in here and just cut these feathers a little bit, because it's obviously, it's almost like it's just too bushy back here. And so we're just gonna come in here and clean it all out for him so that he doesn't have to worry about it anymore. And then The other thing I will say is because it looks like it could have been kind of runny poop, I'm going to try and keep an eye on him a little bit more than I normally would, just to make sure there isn't like some coxy going on or something like that, because he is an excellent rooster. That's fine. That's just mud. He's an excellent rooster, like I said before. And so whatever little things like that we can do to help him, like we had a while back, or he had a little bit of frostbite, and he also got beat up by one of the other roosters. So we came in and put a little bit of coconut oil on his comb.
He's so spoiled.
Yeah, and that seems to have like healed back just fine. He's got a little peck right there from somebody, but he's just such an awesome rooster. He's not aggressive towards us at all. He's only aggressive towards anything that threatens his girls. So hopefully, fingers crossed,
He's hiding right now from me.
President Snow or Snowball, whichever.
He does not like you.
Whichever name he goes by for that day. Depends on his personality. When he's being aggressive, we call him President Snow. But when he's being like this, we call him Snowball, because he reminds us of a snowball. So hopefully, if any of y'all have ever had that situation happen, that's how we handled it. We would love to hear in the comments below if you've ever dealt with something like this before. Thank you for stopping by the Big Bear Homestead. God bless. Have a nice day.